Today I'm sharing 9 kitchen gadgets I use very frequently that make cooking twice as efficient. There's bound to be something you can use. So let's take a look. First is this spoon. I really want to ask who designed it. Because how can it be so clever? At first glance, you might think it's just a decent stainless steel colander for scooping up dumplings or fried food. But it can actually also grate ginger and garlic. So you can use it right when you're mixing cold dishes. It solves the problem of not being able to use a food processor for small amounts. Its curved front design is also super convenient for mashing potatoes or pumpkin. So you don't need to buy a separate masher. You think that's it? It's also a super handy egg white separator. And look here, did you think it was just a hook? It can actually be used to open beer bottles too. Because it's so useful, I bought another one from the same series. The one with claws on the front. It can also be used to scoop noodles smoothly. If the space next to your sink is also very narrow, you can try this narrow sink side storage rack. All kinds of small cleaning tools, dish soap, and such can be placed on it. The sloped drainage design of the base prevents water accumulation, so the countertop won't get wet. It can also be removed for cleaning. Scouring pads or rags can also be hung directly to dry, which is very practical.
在我家堪称劳模，平时家里的存货和没有吃完的食物都在靠它延长保鲜期。操作简单，一键就能抽真空，吸力很大，速度很快，几秒钟搞定。而且连续工作机器也不会发烫不卡顿，它还是干湿两用的，湿食材也能抽，都密封的很紧实，不会漏气。还带了单封口的功能，没有吃完的零食也能用它封口，真的是家庭刚需。 如果厨房想要一个一步到位，真的会超高频率去使用的电蒸锅，那可以看一下我家这个。有了它，不用开火就能轻松搞定一日三餐。它内外都是不锈钢材质的，耐用又安心。平时用它蒸鱼只要8分钟，130度鲜活蒸汽。
There's also this super useful wireless vacuum sealer, which is a real workhorse in my home. I rely on it to extend the shelf life of my stockpiled goods and leftovers. It's easy to operate, vacuums with one touch, has strong suction, and is very fast. It gets the job done in a few seconds. Plus, it doesn't overheat during continuous use and doesn't jam. It's also for both dry and wet use. It can even vacuum seal wet ingredients, and they are sealed very tightly without leaking air. It also has a single seal function, so you can use it to seal unfinished snacks. It's truly a household necessity. If you want an electric steamer for your kitchen that is an all-in-one solution and will be used very frequently, then you can take a look at mine. You can easily handle 3 meals a day without even turning on the stove. Both the inside and outside are made of stainless steel, which is durable and reassuring. It only takes 8 minutes to steam fish with its 130-degree fresh steam. It steams quickly and keeps it tender, with its double-layer large capacity and the matching ceramic square boxes. You can make a hearty meal in one pot. Put the lid on and it becomes a lunchbox that you can take with you. Its timer function is also great. You can have a hot, nutritious breakfast as soon as you wake up. The included ceramic steam pot can be used to make steamed soups. The resulting soup is incredibly delicious, low in oil, healthy, and nutritious.
刀上面还有特有的纹路，非常的精致。重点是比普通的刀锋利太多了，给大家演示一下吧，是不是非常舒服解压？连家里挑剔的长辈第一次用都被它丝滑锋利折服了。不管是砍剁还是切肉、切菜、切水果，都非常丝滑利落，切割感真的绝了，完全不粘连不打滑。刀好用，备菜的心情都会非常愉悦。 以前我家里用的还是那种涓涓细流、换滤芯巨贵的净水器，后来做了一通功课后，被我找到了这台净热一体机，过滤效果好，出水通量还大，3-4秒钟就能接满1杯水，洗菜、淘米、煲汤再也不用原地干等。
Families who love barbecue must check out this grill. It really boosts happiness. It solves the problem of wanting to have barbecue at home without the smell lingering for ages. It uses top heating, so it doesn't come into direct contact with the food. Also, excess grease falls into the oil tray to cool, which solves the smoke problem at the source. It reaches a high temperature of 1300 degrees instantly upon turning on, which is super fast. The food sizzles shortly after being placed on it, which is very tempting. Not only is it fast, but it also restores the charred flavor of charcoal grilling without the smoke and fire issues. The non-stick grill plate can be cleaned with a simple wipe. I recently bought a gorgeous set of Damascus knives for my kitchen. It comes with a very convenient solid wood magnetic storage rack. All the knives needed in the kitchen are included. They are all hand-forged from 73-layer Damascus steel, and the texture is truly unbeatable. The blades have unique patterns, which are very exquisite. The point is that they are much sharper than ordinary knives. Let me demonstrate. Isn't it very satisfying and stress-relieving? Even my picky elders at home were won over by its smoothness and sharpness the first time they used it. Whether chopping, slicing meat, cutting vegetables, or fruit, it's very smooth and clean.